Today we will learn why and how optimizing for search and advertising is essential in dropshipping to increase visibility, attract targeted traffic, and maximize conversions. Why optimize for search and advertising? Increase visibility. Optimization helps your products rank higher in search results, increasing their visibility to potential customers and driving organic traffic to your listings. Targeted traffic. By optimizing your listings and ads, you can attract relevant and interested customers who are more likely to convert into sales. Compete effectively. Optimization allows you to stay competitive in the crowded dropshipping market by ensuring your products are seen by the right audience. Maximize conversions. While optimized listings and advertising campaigns increase the chances of attracting qualified leads and converting them into paying customers. How to optimize for search and advertising. Keyword research. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify relevant search terms and phrases used by your target audience. Incorporate these keywords strategically into your product titles, descriptions, and advertising campaigns. Title optimization. Craft clear, descriptive, and keyword-rich titles for your product listings. Include relevant product attributes, benefits, and unique selling points to capture the attention of potential customers. Description optimization. Write compelling and detailed product descriptions that incorporate keywords naturally. Highlight the features, benefits, and solutions that your product offers to address customer needs and pain points. Image optimization. Optimize your product images by using high-resolution, visually appealing visuals that accurately represent the product. Add alt text and relevant keywords to improve image search visibility. Customer reviews and ratings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings for your products. Positive reviews and high ratings enhance trust and credibility, attracting more customers. Paid advertising. Utilize paid advertising platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Amazon advertising to reach a broader audience. Design targeted ad campaigns based on keywords, demographics, and customer interests to maximize your ad spend. A/B testing. Continuously test and optimize your advertising campaigns to improve their effectiveness. Experiment with different ad formats, copy, targeting options, and visuals to identify what resonates best with your audience. Landing page optimization. Ensure that the landing pages associated with your ads are optimized for conversion. Have clear calls to action, persuasive content, and a seamless user experience to maximize the chances of turning clicks into sales. Monitor and analyze. Regularly monitor your search rankings, advertising performance, and conversion rates. Use analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. By implementing effective search and advertising optimization techniques, you can increase your dropshipping business's visibility, attract targeted traffic, and ultimately drive more sales. Stay up to date with the latest optimization strategies and continuously refine your approach to stay ahead of the competition.